Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your upload default settings in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click Settings in the left sidebar to open the Settings dialog. Click Upload Defaults from the Settings menu and the Upload Defaults content appears in the main area. For this example, I'm typing Weekly Coffee Roast Update into the title field and adding text into the description field. Now select and delete the text from both fields to clear them completely so they're empty again. Click the Visibility dropdown and you'll see the available visibility options. For this example, I'm selecting Public. Click the Save button at the bottom to store your cleared defaults. The Settings dialog closes and a Settings Save notification appears confirming your changes have been applied. Your upload defaults are now reset, and any new uploads will start with blank fields instead of pre-filled content. If you want to set new defaults later, just follow the same steps and add whatever text you want in the title and description fields before saving. Clearing these fields means every new upload will start completely blank, which is useful if your content varies a lot and pre-filled text doesn't make sense. You can also set a default visibility here if you always upload as unlisted or private initially, and that's how to reset your upload default settings in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.